Hello, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ron, and I'm the CEO Ron Gadget Store. So today I want to do a quick unboxing of the Lark A1 microphone. This is a Hollyland microphone. It's a very good microphone. Actually, it's one of the best budget microphones that you can get. This microphone doesn't have a charging case. Actually, it comes with two microphones and a Type C adapter. And this adapter or the receiver, actually, you can use it for, in case you have an iPhone, you can just get an OTG for Type C to iPhone, then use it directly. So let me just unbox it right here. It comes with a bag. Of course, the bag is for carrying the microphones. Then it comes with a card. Of course, as you know, Holyland items they usually come with a card, thank you card, something like that. Then in the box we have this, just like this. We have the charging cable. This is the charging cable. It's a Type C to USB actually. Then we have the microphones. Then we have the receiver. Let me first do these ones. We have these. I think you guys know these. In case you're shooting outdoors and you don't want to have, case it's a windy morning, windy afternoon, you can just attach this to the microphones. Yes. So it has, there are two actually for the two microphones. Then we have, let me first show you the receiver. So this is a receiver. It's a Type C receiver, like you can see. Yep. Very nice. Very easy to use. It comes with a button. I want you guys to look at the button. Do you see the button? Yes. That button can be used for what? In case you want to switch to noise cancellation mode, you can just press the button. It has the Type C here. The Type C is for charging the phone as you are doing you shooting your videos. So then we have the microphones. Let me just show you the microphones real quick. So these are the microphones. So the microphones have a charging case. Do you see the charging case? Yes. So this is the charging case for the microphones. That means, unlike the other microphones for Holyland, for these microphones, if you want to use them, you have to plug in here, then you charge. After charging, you can then use the microphones. They don't have like a power bank, I don't know how to call it, a charging case that has a power bank. Yeah, you have to charge them directly. So these are the microphones. Quick check the microphones. Yeah, these are the microphones. So the microphones are not very big. So this is the other side. This is the microphone. The microphones are not very big in size. I think you can see. Very good. What? For the charging. This is, they have a button and the icon for the Holy Land. So you can just press the button. Let me see if they have some charge. You can see. This ones don't have charge. So I'm going to make a video testing the sound for the Holyland microphones because I'm sure these ones don't have any battery. But I'm going to make so you can see like this. So you can just press the button to switch to noise cancellation. But this changes if you the what the receiver is plugged in. So these are the microphones. They have a magnet, of course, like I told you. So you can just put them right here like this. Very good, very nice. Or you can just change and put them like this. So those are the Hollyland Lark A1 microphones, and we have them at Ron Gadget Store. In case you're in Uganda, Kampala, you can order from us at Ron Gadget Store at only 250K. You'll get the Hollyland A1 microphones. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Wait for the next part where I test what the sound that comes out of the microphones.